How to install apps without payment method on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Play Store on your device and make sure that you logged into your account. Now tap profile icon at top right. Now select payments and subscriptions option. Choose payment method. So in case if you have saved a payment method, simply you need to select it and tap remove. Removing your payment method ensures that the Play Store won't ask for payment information when you are downloading free apps. Once you are removed or once you have removed any payment methods, you can now download free application without being prompted for payment information. Keep in mind, if you want to download paid apps later, you will need to re-add a payment method. For that, you need to create a Google account. For that, you have to head towards settings on your Android device. Scroll to the bottom of the screen and launch Google. You will see the option of add another Google account when you tap on your existing Google account name. Now select Google and verify it's you. After that, you can tap create account and then follow the on-screen prompts. And during setup, you need to avoid adding any payment details. Now you can use this new account to download apps without needing a payment method. And that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.